Hi, I'm Dominic Missy, founder and director of Missy & Co, a professional services firm based in Sydney. I want to share with you a recent national client who we helped streamline their internal accounting processes and now saved 22 hours per week. Unfortunately, their old way of operating had several deficiencies. For example, the client manually received and entered supplier invoices into their system, which took up a significant amount of time. So we fixed this by implementing Dext, which automatically fetched, categorized and published data, saving them around 8 hours per week. They also had poor processes in place around staff leave requests. Previously, managers had to manually complete timesheets and cross-check that with their actual work schedule. We fixed this by implementing a new payroll system. This allowed for staff to complete their own timesheets and use an app to sign on and off. This reduced payroll processing by 4 hours per week. Another deficiency that was interfering with their productivity was the need to track sales and transactions in bank accounts and manually match against the invoices in their accounting systems. We fixed this by setting up online payments for sales invoices, which allowed automatic reminders to be scheduled to send to customers as bills became payable or were overdue. This made their invoices easier to pay and saved the team valuable time by reducing the need to chase up overdue payments. It also saved the team time in trying to trace where payments came from and manually having to allocate them. The automatic aspect of the new system saved them up to 8 hours each week. And lastly, they had quite an inefficient stock control system. We fixed this up by setting up automatic low inventory control alerts to ensure they received advance notice of any low stock levels, which essentially saved them around 2 hours per week. Overall, these changes are now saving our client upwards of 22 hours per week and will enable them to scale with ease as the business grows. Essentially though, you need to find what works for you and your business. While there are many options to automate your accounting systems, don't feel obliged to automate everything if you don't think it's going to work for you. And of course, ensure you have the team with the right set of skills to support whatever systems and processes you do put in place. That's it from me. I hope you found this video helpful as part of your journey to financial success. If you have any questions though, please do reach out to the Missy & Co team to organize a time to speak with us about the best path forward for you and your business. Thanks for watching.